UNBOX Nation, are you looking for a nice rugged charging cable? Then I think I got what you need from a company called Mfish right here. This is USB-C charging cable that has some little special capabilities to it, all right? So you might want to stay tuned and check out this video, okay? All right. Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for LOOSESCREWZZANDVIEWS, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. UNBOX Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at this new little USB-C charging cable from a company called Mfish, alright? So, but before we get started, I want to give all thanks and praise to the Father God above and Savior Jesus Christ, because without God, none is possible. But anything is possible as long as you keep God in it, alright? Alright. Also, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit the subscribe button? It's free, no cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out, alright? Alright. Appreciate it, UNBOX Nation. It's your man Mark, back again with another video. And yes, it's been a minute since we've been putting out these videos. As you can see, the background of the studio is looking a little different because we're in a transition. We're trying to get this studio up and running. We're trying to change things around. So just bear with us and we appreciate it. Alright. So this is your main man Mark, back again with another video. And today we're going to be looking at this new USB-C charging cable. Alright. You're like, Mark, what are you, a USB-C charging cable? Yes, it's a USB-C charging cable from my good friends over at Mfish, all right? So, and yes, they sent that out to me, but all my opinions are my opinions, not theirs. So you're seeing this video for the first time as well as them. So they haven't seen this video before you all seen this video. So, you know, I got all creative control of this video and no scripts to run down this or that. You know, this is all my opinion. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get on with this video. And this cable is a little bit different. It's called the Mfish Armored Pterosaur. Let me make sure I'm saying it right.
Pterosaur.
Pterosaur. I'm sorry, it's Pterosaur. Let me see how you spell it. It's spelled Pterosaur. All right. So this is the box that came in from Mfish, all right? And let me scroll down here and give you some information on here on this bad boy. 240 watt cable, all right? You see this? 240 watt cable. So that means you could charge a MacBook Pro with no problem, or any other high power device as long as they're under 240 watt. That's crazy. So this bad boy can handle 240 watts? Come on. But it also has a little special feature to it as well, but we'll get to that a little bit later. Let me run down these specs for the spec junkies real quick. It's USB-C charging cable. It's good for laptops, power banks, phone, all that good stuff. It has a 90-degree angle. We'll get back to that real quick. It's got a 90-degree angle, braided nylon cable, built-in foldable stand. You probably like, stand? I don't see no stand on the box. Trust me, it's got a somewhat of a stand. Built-in foldable stand, e-marker chip, fast charging, 240 watt, PD 3.1. All right, and it's compatible with most phones like iPhone 15, 16, 17 series, and all the other good stuff. And all the Galaxy phones is compatible with them, as long as it's got USB-C. It has the connector is female to female. All right, USB-C to C. Data transfer rate 480 megabits per second. All right. Number of pins 24, which I really, the average person ain't really caring about that. Maximum current 6 amp, wattage 240, and maximum voltage 20 volts of direct current. All right. Let's see. Let me just go scroll up here to see anything else on here. Let's see. No, that's about it. Oh, it's about 3.93 feet. All right. So basically, I'm rounded out to maybe about 4 foot long cables. So this is the boxes. There's some information on here, so you can check this out. You can pause and read for yourself. Let's see what is this on here. Not sure what all that is right here. So it's showing on the box saying 240 and all that good. So let's get this bad boy out of the box. I want to see what it's all about. Let's get it out of the box. All right. Nothing else in the box. Toss that box to the side because I ain't gonna need it right now. Got some black paper. Come in. Okay, it's different. It's different. It's got a nice little Velcro on here for the cable management. And remember what I was telling you? It has a special feature. This is not your normal USB-C charging cable right here. As you can see here, it's got like this long little plastic part right here with the USB-C charger sticking out. And on the bottom of it, as you can see right here, let me get it. And it's a flat cable. It's not the round cable, it's a flat cable. So let me get this part out of the way so I can show you the back of this one right here. As you see right here, it's got the little logo right here, Mfish. As you can see these little blades right here. Remember when I was talking about the special feature and it could turn into a stand? Well, when you move these blades, move them like this, as you can hear, it's got an audible click. So that makes sure it's not just moving. You have to move it, and you have an audible click. When you feel an audible click and like a little thump when you're moving it. So that way it stays in place. So if you have to sit down and want to use it as a stand, the other one moves around like scissors. You can move it the other direction, or you can move it to the other direction, right, like this. It's up to you once you get it. So what I want to do is I'm going to use the Note 20, not Note 20 Ultra, I'm sorry. I'm so used to having that Note 20 Ultra that we just recently got to upgrade to the S23 Ultra, because the Note 20 Ultra, the battery got so hot it started swelling and it cracked, swelled to the back of the phone. So now we got the S23. So we're going to test it with the S23 Ultra. So let me see. Now I got a case on it, and this looks like it might be long enough to go in there. So I'm going to stick it in here. Okay, even with a case, it fits on with a case. Look at that. Look, oh man, I got it right here. Look at that. So now you got, it's not only a cord, but you can have your phone standing up. It's like, so I'm gonna have this sitting over here like that, have it plugged in. Let me scroll out. Let me get, come on, go out a little bit so you can see the whole thing. All right, you can see right here, we got it sitting like this. I know it's kind of hard to see, you know, with the angle we're using right now, but you see that it's standing. The phone is standing. And like I can shake the table and it's still standing, you know. Look at that, too cool. So now you ain't gotta have a stand with you. So you wanna do a conference call, like you do a FaceTime, turn around like that. But the only thing about it, if you're doing FaceTime like that, oh, okay, look at that. It's strong enough, wait a minute. It's strong enough to hold it like that. Look at that. As you see it right there, you see it? Let me turn it around. See, when you move it, you're gonna get that clip. You gonna I mean, it ain't the strongest, but it's strong enough. Look at that. If you want to do it like that, bam, it's gonna hold it up. You know, and I'm moving it pretty much standing. Look at that. So let me go ahead. Matter of fact, let me find a power bank, which I got one right behind me, so we can see how many watts this thing is putting out. So we're gonna plug it in. I'm gonna plug it bad boy into this new Charge power bank. Plug this in. Look at that, super fast charge. And let's see how many watts is this one using. This is using 21 watts. So it's showing it's pushing out 21 watts. So you can get that in there where you can see it. 21 watts. I know that screen is a little dirty. I hate that. But matter of fact, let me plug it into, let me try something else because I want to see how much power it is putting out. So I'm going to plug it into my 12.9 inch iPad Pro and see if it'll charge it. As soon as yep, it's charging it. And we look like it's putting out 36 watts on here. 36 watts on there. Might be a little bit more by now. So yeah, this is pretty cool. This is different. This is different. I like this. I mean, it might not be the most techiest thing in the world, but think about it. You know, a lot of times, you out somewhere, you want to take a quick meeting or on the phone, you do a FaceTime or something like that, and you don't have it. You're in a restaurant somewhere, you're always trying to prop stuff up, trying to say this is a, oh man, I'm just letting it fall down. But say this is a salt shaker. A lot of times you're in Starbucks and you got to prop your stuff up like this or whatever, and it's a hassle. But with this right here, this solves that. This solves that right here. Look at that. That solves it. And then when you're done using it, you just go ahead and fold them back. Bam, folds up. And then you go ahead and, since it's got the little Velcro straps on here, bam, roll it up. And then, bam, there you go. Toss it in your bag. Don't take up much room. Look at that. Look at that. 240 watt. So this cable right here not only could use it for your, like I said, for your phones, but it could charge laptops. All right, no problem. 200 and some watts, it charge laptop. But what they're going to do, things I want to say they kind of designed it mainly for is, you know, so you can prop your cell phone up. So you sit up there, bam. I like that. I like that. When I first thought about it, first heard about it, I was like, I'm not sure. But now, after you actually using it, after you know trying it out, I like it. I like it. It's different. It's different. And like I said, you know, just fold it up. If you just don't want that like that, you just want to, cool. And it fits with a case, because you know, some USB-C charging cables, they have a hard time fitting when you got a thick case on. So I like how they got this extra long right here where you can get it in there. Let me see if I can get it a little closer to you. So that's nice and long enough to put in there. Or say, man, I wish I would have had my Nintendo Switch 2 out, because I probably would have tried to post it on there and see. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try to do that once I locate it, find out where I put it. But anyway, yeah, this is a pretty good cable from Mfish. I'm gonna leave a link to this cable in the description box below, so you can get more detailed information on it, or pick one up for yourself. At the time of this video I'm looking at, they got it regular price saying is $15.99, and I'm seeing a coupon code on here, but you know, it's saying for 15% off, but I'm not sure if that's going to work. But at the time of this video, it's saying a 15% coupon, and right now it's showing at $15.99. Then you do the 15% off. So hey, take advantage of it while they got the coupon out. You know, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you get more detailed information to pick one up for yourself. But you know, 15 bucks. Come on, man, 15 bucks, and then you get a coupon code. I mean, to have a cable that's gotta you know, get turned into a stand, that ain't bad. That ain't bad. You have it's cables out there to be charging like 20 bucks for a cable, but they got this. Look at this. Let me show you this. It's braided. It's nice, durable, braided flat cable. I like that. It's durable, and this is gonna last. Them other cables got the plastic ends on it. I don't like them because they fray at the end, and then they get shorts in them. This one, look at that. Look at the build quality on that. They got a little, look at that. And then on the other end of it, where you plug into your power source, look at that. And I'm not sure if this moves or not. No, that don't move or not. It's just designed. But you know, you see they got their logo on here, Mfish. All right, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. For a USB-C charging cable, I think this is a definite pickup. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you get more detailed information so you can check it out for yourself or pick one up for yourself. And I appreciate you taking that time to check out this video. And yeah, if it's, like I said, if it's something I forgot, click on that link and check it out. All right, because I'm just a regular everyday person and just not an expert. But I thank you and appreciate everybody taking out time to check out this video. Like I say in all my videos, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right, all right. Let's see here. The message for today. Oh, I got it. The message for today. Be original. Don't be a follower. You're like, Mark, what are you talking about? You know, a lot of times we go out there, especially when you're young, you want to follow the crowd and want to be like so-and-so them doing this, so-and-so them doing that, and everything. That, a lot of times that don't pay off. You know, stop trying to be and follow what everybody else do, because a lot of times you sit up there following what everybody else do, is going to land you in somewhere where you don't want to be at, or get you in trouble, or just mess everything up for you. So a lot of times, you know, it's better to be, my motto used to be out of sight, out of mind, and you know, not trying to do what everybody else is trying to do, not trying to be a follower. You know, being a follower, a lot of times it gets you nowhere. It's best to just learn to be your own person, and and not follow what the crowd is doing, because a lot of times the crowd is just, following the crowd gets you into trouble. you know, and it gets you somewhere you don't want to be. So best thing to do is be your own person, be original, do your thing the way you do it, not the way everybody else do it. So what everybody else is doing at the in crowd or whoever, you know, doing whatever. Do you, because there's nobody as original as you. All right, you are original. You don't have to be like the crowd. Start your own trends. You ain't got to be like everybody else. All right, that's the message for today. Be your own person. And you know, stop. You know, don't follow the in crowd. The in crowd ain't about nothing. All right. That's the message for today. This is your main man Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, baby, and we out. Peace.
Everything's broke.
Every time I elevate, it's something to celebrate. John Jones, I went to heavyweight on these featherweights, but I ain't backing down, I'ma take the weight up another plate. Lean at the crumbs, that's how you eat, let me demonstrate. Decade in the game, I ain't lost a step, I just up the pace. Watch them up the pay, I put in the reps and pick up the chase. Then add up the balance, but we ain't even no miles away. It ain't just a